Hello everyone and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today I am going to be making my favorite side dish, roasted potatoes. You're going to want to start off by grabbing around 10 to 15 small potatoes. You're going to want to add a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, and around 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a handful of parsley. I then added around 2 tablespoons of my own personal seasoning. I then added 1 tablespoon of magic seasoning, 1 chopped red pepper. I then add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. This is my favorite kind of olive oil. I then try my best to equally distribute all the flavors. You're then going to want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until you prefer. I like to check up on my potatoes every 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, I take it out of the oven, I mix all the seasonings together again, and I wait around 5 minutes. Here is the finished product. This is my favorite side dish. You can eat it with really anything: chicken, rice, or even pasta. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below any other foods you'd like us to make.